Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here, and what can you, a student, see on a course after it's ended? Once a course is ended, you can usually still access some parts for old time's sake. Two situations might affect this. One is if you're marked as incomplete on the course. If that's the case, you'll usually have access to assignments and tests and other things that you normally wouldn't once a course has closed. And of course, you would typically be aware of an instructor setting you to the incomplete status on a course. The other is if your instructor has manually changed settings on the course in order to disable features that allow you students to see it. That's just up to them. But in most situations, you'll go to an old course and find what we'll describe here. You'll be able to see this banner up at the top of the course instance that gives you the date on which access ended. You can view assignments you've submitted together with grades and any comments. If you click into a specific test, you can see the grade for that test, and if there are any comments or other feedback, you'll see that as well. Under discussions, under the available and closed headings, you can click in and read back over those. You'll be able to review lessons that you've completed. If you only started a lesson and did not complete it back in the old days when the course was live, then you'll only be able to access that lesson to the point that you got to back in the day. Just like when the course was in session, you can view a list of your classmates on the roster. As for other items, syllabus, calendar, chat, so on, you students can view anything that has been publicly posted. And this includes files. If your instructor has set files to be visible and downloadable, you'll be able to access those. That's what you can see on old courses. Now, go nuts. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.